Ciao, it's Martina and I work for Yes Milano. In today's video you'll find information about the tax code, what is it, how and where to get it, and what it's useful for. Let's get started. The Italian tax code, or Codice Fiscale in Italian, is a unique identification code, assigned to each individual, made of letters and numbers. You will need it for many different activities, such as opening a bank account, signing a rent contract, conducting financial transactions, accessing the public administration, and many more. It's a truly lifesaver, and the best part is that it's free and valid for a lifetime, so make sure to make it as soon as possible. Interesting fact: the tax code is calculated on your surname, name, your date of birth, sex, place of birth, and a checksum letter. You can get your tax code from abroad or once you get here. If you're still abroad, you can get your tax code at the Italian embassy or consulate closer to your area. Usually the request can be made by email by filling in a request form and attaching the necessary documentation. The certificate of attribution of the tax code number will be returned the same way, so via email. Double check with your closer Italian consular services office which procedure they adopt. Anyway, we'll see in a minute how to fill out the request form, so keep watching the video. If you're already here, you can get the tax code by visiting any local office of the revenue agency, also known as Uffici Territoriali, and submit this form. Let's see now how to fill out the form together. This is how the application form looks like. It's divided in parts and sections. In part A, section 1, you're gonna mark direct application for yourself. In section 2 of part A, you're gonna mark allocation of a tax code and request for a tax code card. You skip this part and go directly to part B, so personal details. You will place your surname, your name, your sex, the foreign state, and your date of birth, in order of day, month and year. Then in part C, they ask for your tax domicile, so if you have already an address in Milano, you're gonna put it here. So the municipality is Milano, the province is MI, and the postcode depends on your address. In the second line, you will place your actual address, so the type, the name of the address, and the house number. In part D, the form asks for your residence overseas, so your last residence, so the foreign state. You can place also the province, the federal state or the county, the town of residence, the postcode, and your address. Then go directly to the part of signatures and place the date of your appointment. You will need to print out this form because the signature must be done in hand with a pen, otherwise it won't be accepted. To book your appointment at a local office, go on the Revenue Agency website. We'll see together how to do it. Click on Prenota appuntamento, the blue button at the center of the website page. You book an appointment for fiscal assistance, so prenota un appuntamento per assistenza fiscale. Click on Online. You will access the website page by Accedi and you will make the booking for yourself, so per te stesso. You will request your tax code for the first time. You can go ahead. You can place here your surname and name and then your email. Go ahead. You will select your city, so Milano, and the different revenue agencies in the city available for an appointment will appear. Here are all the times available for this day, so select the one that is more convenient to you. And you will place the reason for your appointment, so Codice Fiscale. On the final page, you will see the recap of your appointment and you confirm the booking. This is the final confirmation. You will be receiving an email with the recap of your appointment. On the day of your appointment, bring your application form, passport or EU ID and check in at the Revenue Agency office with your booking number. They may want to see your visa and entry stamp if you are non-European. When it's your turn, go to the desk and a Revenue Agency officer will process your application, make a copy of your documentation and give you a tax code certificate signed and stamped. If you provided an address in Milano, a plastic tax code card should arrive by mail in a month or so. So remember to place your name on the mailbox. We hope this guide was useful. Remember to join our community, and if you have any remaining questions, write to welcometalents@yesmilano.it. Thanks for watching and see you in Milano!